Hello everyone, welcome to this session on one of the most transformative practices in modern software engineering. I am Soumya from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we will understand how DevOps bridges the gap between software development and IT operations, with emphasis on its motivation and how it integrates with cloud platforms and its role in managing the operations. DevOps, while not limited to object-oriented system and it's essential for agile, test-driven and continuous delivery-based software projects, which aligns well with object-oriented design principles. Our agenda today is threefold. First one is of understand what DevOps is and why it emerged. And second one is of see how cloud computing plays a central role in enabling the DevOps. Then third one is of discuss the operation side of DevOps, the tools, tasks, and automation it entails. Then, what is DevOps? DevOps is a compound of development and operations. It's not a tool or a product, but the cultural and technical movement that aims to accelerate the software delivery lifecycle, and it improve the reliability and performance, and it foster the better collaboration between the developers, tested, and operation teams. Traditionally, development and operations worked in silos. Developers wrote code and while operation deployed and maintained it. These led to friction, delays, and blame. DevOps bring both sides together using the automation, collaborative workflows, and shared responsibilities. The result is more frequent releases, faster feedback loops, and fewer production issues. Then, why DevOps? The motivation for DevOps arises from the limitation of traditional software delivery models, delays due to handoffs between development and operations, fragile releases because of poor communication, downtime and outages due to inconsistent environments. DevOps solve these problems by encouraging the shared ownership and enabling the frequent integration and testing, and promoting the automation over the manual tasks. In essence, DevOps supports the agility, scalability, and speed, all of which are essential in today's fast-paced tech landscape. Then example, let's take a simple example, a team building a food delivery application. Without DevOps, developers write code, hand it over to the operation teams. Operations struggle to deploy it, then bugs appear, blame starts, and customer experience suffers. Then with DevOps, developers and operations collaborate yearly, and use of version control and automated tests and continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline streamlines the releases. Then bugs are caught at earlier here, and deployment is faster here, and feedback is continuous. This model ensures rapid innovation while maintaining the system stability. Then cloud as a platform. The cloud plays a pivotal role in DevOps success. Cloud computing means using internet-based servers to store and run the software rather than relying on physical infrastructure. Why cloud is ideal for DevOps? Offers on-demand scalability, you pay only for what you use. Provides a rich ecosystem of DevOps tools like continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, monitoring the systems and container orchestration, and then enables the teams to deploy the application globally with minimal setups. Then platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud offer complete DevOps support from source control to production deployment. Then consider building an e-commerce website. Without cloud, you need to buy, install, and configure the physical servers. Takes weeks to set up and scale. With cloud, deploy the code to services like AWS EC2 and Azure application services. Scale automatically during the traffic events like sales, and monitor the performance in real time using built-in dashboards. And you can integrate here GitHub for version control, and Jenkins for continuous integration for continuous deployment, and Docker for containers, and deploy to the cloud in minutes. Then operations in DevOps. Let's now dive into the operation side of DevOps, which ensures that software runs smoothly in production. Here are key activities. First one is of configuration management. Maintain the consistent environments. For example, of use Ansible to automate software installs and updates across all servers. Then monitoring and logging. Continuously observe application health and performance. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana and Datadog help to detect the issues before users are impacted here. Then infrastructure as code, and it defined the infrastructure using code, for example of Terraform and CloudFormation. Then it promotes the reproducibility and version control of your server configuration. Then continuous deployment. Code is automatically tested and deployed once it passes all the checks, and it ensures the faster and safer releases. Then incident response. When things break, the operation team handles, allows the rollbacks and recovers swiftly. These practices help to achieve the high availability, minimal downtime, and continuous delivery. Thank you.